In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve your Shopify store so it clearly explains what you sell and becomes easier for both shoppers and AI tools to understand. The first thing to focus on is clarity. When someone lands on your store, they should immediately understand what your brand offers, who it's for, and why it matters. That means your homepage, product pages, and collection pages should all communicate your products in a simple, direct way. Avoid vague wording and make sure your messaging matches what real customers are actually searching for. Next, strengthen your product descriptions, your FAQs, and your category pages. Product descriptions should go beyond a short sentence and include useful details like features, benefits, sizing, materials, use cases, or anything else that helps a buyer make a confident decision. FAQs are important because they answer common objections and save people time. Category pages are also valuable because they help organize your store and give search engines more context about the kinds of products you sell. After that, use structured data to help search engines and AI tools better understand your store. Structured data adds clear signals behind the scenes about your products, pricing, reviews, availability, and other key details. Even though customers may never see it directly, it can improve how your store is interpreted and displayed across search results and AI-generated answers. You should also work on getting your brand mentioned on trusted websites. That can include blogs, reviews, curated list articles, and other reputable sources related to your niche. These mentions help build credibility and increase the chances that AI systems and search engines recognize your store as a legitimate option worth surfacing. Another important step is creating content that answers customer questions in your niche. Think about the problems people are trying to solve, the comparisons they make, and the concerns they have before buying. Content that addresses those topics can attract more relevant visitors and position your store as a helpful source, not just a place to purchase something. It also helps to build a presence on platforms where buyers actively discuss products, such as Reddit or niche forums. The goal here is not to spam links, but to participate in useful, relevant conversations so your brand becomes part of the broader discussion around your category. As you do this, keep track of whether tools like ChatGPT, Google AI overviews, or other AI systems begin mentioning your store. Monitoring this gives you a sense of what's improving and where your visibility still needs work. Finally, keep refining your content and building more quality brand mentions over time. This is not a one-time task. The stores that become easier to discover are usually the ones that stay clear, useful, and consistently visible.